Today I'll show you how to insert and edit a map chart in Excel to visualize differences in GDP growth rates across countries. Here's the dataset I'll use. Each row contains a country and its GDP growth rate. Excel can automatically recognize country names and map them to geographic regions. To create a map, I select the two columns, country and GDP growth. Then I go to Insert Right-Pointing Arrow Maps, Right-Pointing Arrow, Filled Map. Excel generates a geographic visualization where each country is shaded based on its value. And here we have the map. I can customize the color scale by selecting the map and choosing Chart Design Right-Pointing Arrow Change Colors. For economic data, a diverging color scale works well. For example, darker colors for higher growth and lighter colors for lower growth. I will revert to the original blue shade. To make the map easier to read, I can also edit the legend. I select the legend, can choose between different locations on the map, for instance top, bottom, left, right. I can also edit the text of the legend. I can format the data series by selecting the chart and opening the Format pane, then choosing the series. Another option is to right-click the chart and choose Format Data Series directly. From here, Excel lets me change the map projection. I can switch between Automatic, Mercator, Miller, and Robinson, depending on the style and geographic emphasis I want. I can also add labels to the map. Excel lets me show all labels or only the best fit. If I choose best fit, the labels appear mainly on larger countries, because there's more space for Excel to display them clearly. The title can be changed easily. I will type directly Real GDP Growth Rate for 2024. One advantage of map charts is that they update automatically. If I change a GDP growth value in the dataset, the map refreshes instantly. I will take a random country and change its value. Let's say Angola. I will change the growth rate to 20%, such that the change is visible, and the chart updates automatically.